Hi everyone, it's Dr. Finley here. Just wanted to post a brief message introducing week 2 and what's expected of this week in class. I just wanted to let you know that it was nice to meet you on our first night on Monday, and I was impressed with your backgrounds and what you plan on teaching. I also was impressed with the first discussion, the media effects debate. I think you brought some great insight and ideas into the fold there. It is sort of a concept that there are two sides, and you don't necessarily have to agree with one or the other. But I just wanted you to be exposed to some of the points of view and see how other people think about this. So good job with that. Make sure, just with the discussions in general, that on the given week your initial discussion is posted by Wednesday, and you have a follow-up comment, feedback, substantial feedback to another student by the end of the week, Sunday. So on the screen here, we're looking at the agenda in Moodle. The idea of this week of work is broken down in two parts. The first part involves digital citizenship and 21st century skills. And then the second part will be looking at theories of learning, development, and technology. I think having a background on theories of learning is crucial if you're going to be a teacher. You need to understand the pedagogy behind what we do. So a couple of things are going on this week that you need to be aware of. First off, you should take the quiz over the first 3 chapters by the 6th. So you'll need to go in and take care of that. And the link to the quiz is located in this week here, where it says take quiz 1 by 6-6. The discussion link is also in this area. So you'll be looking at some different educational theory, and you'll compare it to what you've done as a learner in the past. So you'll be reviewing some of that this time around. So kind of comparing what you've done to what the theories are out there. A little slow today, sorry. So you'll do the discussion this week. You'll read chapter 3 in your text, and then you'll be submitting the Nearpod lesson. When you submit the Nearpod lesson, if you could place it two places, in two locations, one on the Padlet wall, you'll find the link to the Padlet wall in the email that I sent you a few days ago, checking in on week 1. And I'll also post it here. I noticed it's not posted here. I'll put it on this page. So besides putting on the Padlet wall, could you also submit it to the Dropbox here, just so I could have access to it easy and get it graded for you? So if you recall, the syllabus is wanting you to complete the activity, and this is just looking at the page on the syllabus. You are creating a 5-minute lesson or so. It doesn't have to be a lesson. It can just be a topic of your choice, demonstrating that you know how to use Nearpod, and you are recording what you're doing using like a screen recording program software such as Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I'm using right now as I'm talking to you here. So you'll incorporate this lesson looking at the grading criteria, post it on the Padlet wall and on the page, the Dropbox page, and then you will look at one other student's presentation. That will be due by Monday the 6th at 8 a.m. That's when the Dropbox closes. So make sure you get that in on time. So besides that, you'll also kind of want to skim through some of these learning theory things within the Moodle week. So I think that is about it. Just wanted to, sometimes it's good just to hear what's coming up. Hopefully by now you've got the flow and the organization down, and you can see where we're headed with the week. So take it one step at a time, 1 week at a time, and all will be well. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call me, email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a good week and good job so far. Talk to you soon.